Logging into Proptia for the first time. Open your email. You will see a welcome email from Proptia. Click on it. Scroll down and you will see your temporary password that Proptia created for you. Either copy or write down this temporary password and have it nearby. Click Login. Enter your email address, then enter that temporary password. Click Sign In. Now you will create your own password. Follow the rules above. Click Reset Password. Click Save to save your password. Click on Sign In. Sign in using your email address and the new password you just created. You are now signed in.